Hey guys, you might recognize this game. Oh. Anyway. I'm gonna play this game. Starry. Oh. Yeah, Matt Shea. Sorry, not Matt Shea. Captain Sauce played this game. And I thought I should play this game on the channel. I know I'm a few years late, but it's okay. So, we're just gonna rain on everybody's parade. Alright, guys. He has this cute little hobo thing. Seattle. Well, that's where it rains. Begun. Shower on hormones. I need to shower on hormones. And I need to soak bride and groom. Okay. Tab. Show objectives. Cool. I need to shower on all the humans. Damn it. Alright. No, I'm not gonna retry. I'm gonna end that. Let's go here. Help! Cloud, help! I might just be a dumpster, but there woman could set me on fire. Okay. I want to set humans on fire. So, put out all the fires and then soak all humans. Begun. I did it. Level complete. All right. Let's go. I don't want to go there just yet. Oh, damn it. I have to. Oh. Oh ho. This is a children's... I don't know. Is this a children's game? I don't know. Anyway, who you see? A young Cloud. Yeah. am I? Why? I'm Papa Cloud. A cloud as old as time. Yes, I was there when the fire nymphs were invented. Oh, still beggar, I hope you will learn. Listen to my words of wisdom. As you progress through the world, you might unlock some fancy hats. Well, I want some fancy hats. Just give me the fancy hats now. How does a cloud wear a hat? You might wonder. Why? Simply by putting the cloud home. Go on, give it a try. Okay. I don't need. Can I wet this? I want to wet all this. Ah. Oh. Decorate. Hearts. Oh, fancy hearts. I like this hat. Accessory. Oh, I can do the colors. We do the pink. Or is that purple? Here. That might be pink. Face. I get to draw my face. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, he's such a happy little cloud now. Okay. I will choose this one. The bombs. I the loser. I's the loser. Here, we'll try again. No. Get away from there. No. Are you freaking serious? Just because they got close? Wow. We'll try this, guys, a little later. But right now, I think it's great to take a breather from this game right now. Don't worry, we'll come back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.